Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of audio production, the role of an audio mixer is indispensable. These intricate devices serve as the heart of sound manipulation, allowing engineers and enthusiasts to blend and enhance various audio sources with finesse and creativity. Whether you're crafting the perfect melody in a recording studio, orchestrating a live concert, producing podcasts, or fine-tuning your home studio setup, the choice of an audio mixer can significantly impact the quality and depth of your soundscapes. In this overview, we delve into the realm of audio mixers to present you with a curated list of the top 5 contenders that have garnered acclaim for their exceptional performance, versatility, and cutting-edge features. From professional-grade consoles to compact digital mixers, this compilation will guide you through the best options available, each capable of elevating your audio production endeavors to new heights. Join us as we explore the pinnacle of sonic control and manipulation, unveiling the finest audio mixers that stand as testaments to technological innovation and audio engineering excellence. Number 5. DEPUSHENG PA-12 Audio Mixer. One of the standout features of the DEPUSHENG PA-12 is its inclusion of 48V phantom power. This opens up possibilities for connecting and recording high-quality condenser microphones without any issues. The addition of USB and Bluetooth connectivity, along with MP3 and computer inputs, showcases the mixer's commitment to versatility. Whether you're recording in a studio, hosting a live broadcast, or simply experimenting with music, this mixer has you covered. Navigating the DEPUSHENG PA-12 is a breeze, thanks to its well-designed interface and LED display. The single-channel 3-band EQ adjustment allows for precise tonal control, ensuring that your audio output is tailored to perfection. The mute button adds a layer of convenience, especially when you need to make quick adjustments without disrupting the flow. The monitor headphone jack further enhances the experience, enabling you to fine-tune your output even while wearing headphones. The signal level light is a small but significant feature that aids in achieving optimal recording levels. I've noticed that the DEPUSHENG PA-12 consistently maintains a clear and robust signal, which is crucial for both recording and live performances. Number 4. Engot MG16XU Audio Mixer. Right out of the box, the MG16XU exudes a robust build quality. Its sturdy construction assures reliability and durability, making it suitable for both studio and live sound applications. The control layout is well thought out, with clear labeling and intuitive placement of knobs and buttons, allowing for easy access to essential functions. The XLR connections ensure secure and interference-free audio transmission, catering to professionals who demand a seamless setup. One of the standout features of the MG16XU is its ability to deliver crystal-clear sound across the entire frequency range. With a frequency range spanning from 20 Hz to 30 kHz, this mixer captures the nuances of audio with precision. The preamps offer excellent headroom and minimal noise, resulting in a pristine audio output. Whether working on a recording, a live performance, or a podcast, the MG16XU consistently delivers top-notch audio quality that enhances the overall production. The MG16XU truly shines in its versatility. With 16 channels at your disposal, this mixer can handle a wide range of audio sources simultaneously. Number 3. COKYIS PMX808 Audio Mixer. The PMX808 boasts a sleek and professional design in classic black, which adds a touch of elegance to any setup. The construction feels sturdy, indicating a commitment to quality by COKYIS. Its compact size makes it suitable for both home studios and small live sound setups, offering portability without sacrificing functionality. Equipped with 8 channels, the PMX808 offers an array of options for connecting various audio sources. This versatility is especially useful for small bands, podcasters, and solo performers who need to manage multiple inputs simultaneously. The channel strips are intuitively laid out, with responsive faders and clear labeling that make adjustments a breeze. The true test of any audio mixer lies in its ability to deliver crisp and clear sound, and the PMX808 does not disappoint. The DSP mixing console plays a crucial role here, allowing users to fine-tune their audio with precision. The sound reproduction is accurate, and the PMX808 manages to retain the integrity of the source material, making it a reliable choice for both recording and live applications. Number 2. MG16XU CTM812 Audio Mixer. From the moment you lay eyes on the CTM812, its sleek black metal exterior exudes an air of sophistication and durability. Its robust construction ensures longevity, while the seamless integration of metal materials underscores the commitment to delivering a premium product. The black color not only adds a touch of elegance, but also fits seamlessly into various studio setups. One of the standout features of the MG16XU CTM812 is its 12-channel configuration, which provides an expansive canvas for crafting intricate audio mixes. Whether you're working on a live music performance, podcast recording, or studio production, the ample channel count ensures you have the flexibility to accommodate a range of audio sources. This mixer truly caters to pro audio needs. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity might seem like a modern indulgence, but it's a game changer for seamless audio streaming. Pairing devices with the CTM812 is a breeze, allowing you to incorporate audio from smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. This feature proves invaluable for adding external sound sources to your mix or playing backing tracks during live performances. Number 1. DEPUSHENG POS16 Audio Mixer. The POS16 boasts a sturdy construction that exudes durability. The controls are well laid out, making navigation easy even for those new to audio mixing. The inclusion of 48V phantom power is a notable advantage for condenser microphones, ensuring crisp and clear sound quality. One of the standout features of the POS16 is the built-in 99 reverb effects, which adds depth and character to your audio output. From subtle room ambience to more dramatic effects, the variety offered is commendable. The mixer's sound quality is generally good, with minimal noise interference. However, at higher gain levels, a slight hiss can be noticed, which might require careful adjustment to achieve the desired results. The POS16 excels in connectivity options. The inclusion of USB, Bluetooth, MP3, and computer inputs opens up a world of possibilities for integrating various audio sources. This is especially advantageous for those who require seamless integration of digital audio files into their setups. The USB interface also facilitates PC recording, a valuable feature for content creators and podcasters. Thanks for watching this video.